Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. ¿Me puede ayudar? Más partida. Gracias. De nada. Hasta luego. Bien. If you want another Spanish word, you need to subscribe and always remember to practice the Spanish word. And I also practice that in my diary because here in my diary I have math. A lot of math question, and at the end I'm gonna write Spanish word on this diary. So if you want me to speak in Spanish in a lot of videos, bonjour. That's France. Don't say bonjour in Spanish because bonjour is from France. So when I say bonjour, it means hello, okay? So I'm learning other language, and for sure if you subscribe this video and also you like and comment down, I'm gonna speak a lot of Spanish word, especially if you're Spanish. So that's for all. I'm gonna speak Spanish. If you subscribe and if you like, comment down, okay? And I'll heart it. And I'm gonna shout out who subscribed me and who comment down, okay? That's for all, guys. Bye.